are, Mega Craps. This is a great one. This game traditionally scares people, but we've made it fun and easy. All you got to do is follow a couple simple instructions. As a dealer, high energy, of course, good interaction. If you have first-time players that seem intimidated, there's different places they can stand so you can explain their options. Easiest way out is to do the one roll field bet. All right, they place a bet anywhere in here. These are the numbers that pay out. Super easy. It's a one roll bet. You get triple odds on 12 and 2, and good luck to those that want a one roll bet. Now, if they're going to come bet and they want to be on the player side, the pass line side, that's Team Yellow. We've made Team Yellow so it's easy to explain. The don't pass, or the people that are against kind of the shooter, the player, are Team Red. That's the red team, and that's the don't pass on this side. We're going to let each side throw the dice because we play a little bit differently. So what's going to happen is you have 3 games. I just explained the field game, but the first real game is the rollout roll. The come out roll is designed to either pick a number or get a quick winner. So the first game in craps is the come out roll. This is where you want people to decide if they're on Team Yellow, which is the pass line, or Team Red, the don't pass line. Traditionally known as for the shooter or against the shooter. We have yellow dice for the pass line shooter. We got the red dice for the don't pass line. We let them both roll because you're going to find people will pit themselves against their friends on one side or the other. What will happen is the first game you want to roll a certain number to get a win. If you're on the Team Yellow, the pass line, you're going to want to roll a 7 or 11. If you are Team Red, you're going to want to roll a 2, 3, or 12. Now that's a guaranteed win on the first roll. If they don't roll one of their winning numbers, then we go to game 2, and that's where we have a point. And we have a point on the board, I'll show you in a minute, and then we roll the dice until we either see a 7 that wins over the point, or the point rolled before we see a 7. All right, I'll show you on the board now. As you got your players established, we're gonna have a quick example of the come out bet. So we both roll, throw it high, and we have lucky number 4. That's a point. So we take our point, and right now we're going to go ahead and take the point number and put it on the 4, because that's the number they need to roll for the pass line to win, or they want to roll a 7 over here before they roll a 4. All right? So now we're going to go ahead and let red and let yellow keep rolling, and we keep track of the odds by keeping track of how many rolls we have before the numbers roll. This is where it gets fun. So right now we have the very first roll, okay, right here. So where this game gets a lot of fun is when you get a chance to start rolling for the points. We're not playing odds and doing the tricky stuff they do in the big tables in Vegas. We are letting them see the excitement of each roll that doesn't either roll out for the red or point for the shooter. The odds double. So we're going to let the point and against the point, against the shooter, keep rolling and see what happens. Here we go. We got another number. 10, that's not it. So we increase it right here, and we increase it. It's now double the odds. And if they roll again and we got nothing, it gets higher, and it gets higher, it gets higher, and until it gets to 7 times the odds. That's a good payout. Kind of the best odd in the whole house right now. And once that happens, you go ahead and you see, let's say, you see them roll. Let's say they roll a quick 7. That means the don't pass would win. They get 7 times their odds placed here on the table. If they roll the point, if you see a 4 come up, they're going to get 7 times over here. One team or the other will win. There's never a tie. If you get to 7 times odds, you're going to hear some screaming and a lot of energy. Nobody can add to the bet once you get to game 2. You got to be part of game 1 in order to get to game 2. And as the odds get better and better and better, so will the energy. And then once you get a point roll or a crap out, you go ahead and start all over again. And in the process, you're going to get people just checking it out, and they might want to just do a simple one roll field bet.